That's What? What?
I didn't say anything. Do what you're doing.
Filming again. This is another CRG 900. This is another CRG 900. Today's not as cold. What is that eerie sound? Sun setting. It's really cool. Man, sun is bright. Let's go, CRG 900. There we go. To the engines. Checking up on runway 20. It's going down there, I think. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's turning this way. No, tiny plane. Going right into the sun. Alright, boys. Like the candles. So it's taking off way down there. It's going down there and taking off. So we're not gonna get to actually see it that well, but we're still gonna see it. Is it gonna go or is it just gonna sit forever? Yeah, it's sitting. Where here's the race cars because the Springfield Airport Speedway is right there. Springfield Speedway. Yeah, there's a little plane. That's what it's waiting for. Yeah, that's the Speedway, which is like right over there. That's where all the cars are. That's the Speedway. Sketchy play. Light the candles. Here goes Delta. It's going. There's the little plane.
That's a touch and go.
No, that's a touch and go. It's going right back up. It just, when it doesn't go, it just lands and it just takes right back off. That just took off. Yeah, there it goes. There goes Delta. This is a 900. And the sun is shining. Plane is out of the way now. There it goes. Whoa, that one's... Why is it so loud? So it's louder than it usually does. Is it because there's no wind? It's louder than they usually are. And it's off. No, not yet. Is it off yet? Nope. It's probably gonna take off. And right about now, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
That one's off to Atlanta. Terminal is quite empty. Right, there's not much going on. Don't want to spoil what. There's a surprise airplane. Here, that's about it. This is the terminal. It's not very many people. Don't want to be fun. A lot of people down there.
You gonna go there?
Headed to the kids area. These are all arrivals. They go all the way to 11. An agent. Boarding. Oh yeah, they got dogs. What do they do with dogs? Do they put them in like the luggage too? Is that what they do?
They probably put them in their lab. I don't know.
I don't know what they. I forgot what they did with dogs. Do they have to sit with them, or do they have to put them in luggage? Well, I heard they have to put them in luggage, but I think they do that with cats and stuff. My name's Timmy, and I'm outside. I'm gonna go down the side. Yeah. I'm a little baby, just kidding. I'm about to Logan a lunch. I got machines ready for luggage. Guys are getting in there. I think they're about to load it. And then they got it moving. Yep, they're putting on the luggage. First bag. Loading it.
Hose going in the bottom of the wing.
Yeah, that.
Leads right to that big fuel truck.
Mm-hmm.
Filling it with gas.
So that pipe right there is where they fuel it, because the fuel tank that leads to it. That's why it's in the wing, because it has to get to the jet. It's a person, it's an animal. I got an Why am I acting like a baby? They only have crap for little kids, not for teens. Not for bigger kids. That's how you do it.
What time is it?
It's 5:24 and it takes off at 5:48. We got 24 minutes. He didn't even catch the fade. He didn't even catch it. This one's going to LA. Yeah, you're going to LA. Yeah, the fuel's good boy. Have a good time in LA. We're outside. There it is. Sun's about to set. They're moving the gate away, looks like, and not ready to back it out. Yep, things backing out. Oh crap! That scared me, that was loud. Now, this is gonna be loud. Wow. Dang. That is huge.
Are we gonna go to the other side?
Yeah. I wanna go. What?
Did you push pause?
This plane's really, really loud. I don't know what that is. Wow, that is so loud. It's echoing. It's like echoing to the other side. Yeah, that is. Yeah, everything is closed. The store. It is almost dark, man. The shadows are really, really going out. Click the button.
All travelers,
Those are race cars.
person attempts to give you any item, including luggage, to transport on your flight. Do not accept.
There she is, and they're going that way. They're going all the way down. They're taking, must be like, there's no winds.
Yeah.
There's a flamingo.
Good thing your good old smart dad grabbed the jacket.
That's their theme. Flamingo.
That's awesome.
No, he's not.
Saying some profound redneck word something.
You could hear the announcer from the speedway. You could hear him. It's funny. Oh, race car's kicking on again. Come on, airplane. Just take off. It's already starting to get cold out. The sun is going down. Get out of here before sundown. Yep, that's it. We hear it. It's taking off. It's coming. There it is. I hear it. There it is. Wow, that's big. Did not clear the tower. Wow. That is a big airplane. There it goes. There she is. There she goes, Dad. Going to LA. Bye-bye.